Cash Giraffe App surveys and perks. Start earning money by discovering games, collect gems, exchange for gift cards, get rewards just by playing. With Cash Giraffe, everyday actions like answering surveys can turn into something more. Complete tasks, collect gems, and enjoy perks like coupons, special offers, all at your own pace. Download Cash Giraffe, it's free to install. Complete tasks, collect gems, enjoy perks. And yeah, let's just try it out. So here is the app. I'll just double click to install it and see how it works. So here is the app. You can allow notifications. So then you can just so basically then you can just skip. But if you sign up, you will unlock cooler tasks. If you don't sign up, that's what it is. So here is and then basically you select any app and then just start playing with it. So just follow the instructions and you can see the task. You just need to complete the first mission and then download the app and you will get coins. So yeah, you can just get it. There are some extra rewards, some extra surveys. You can see it in here. Then there is your wallet, there is welcome reward, and they don't have any invite codes or anything. I would share it with you. Maybe that's coming. But yeah, that's the app. Just, if you like playing some random games while on commute or something, you can use this app and actually earn some gems. And then you can see, like, you can use PayPal gift card, Amazon gift card, Temu, HelloFresh, Zalando, AliExpress, Shane. So there you have it.